Come on, give me support. This is my. Take away. Take away you. Okay. Fantastic. What if President invited us to come and break the fast with him? It is an interfaith affair. You will agree with me. The Christians are here. Muslims are also here. We just came to eat with the president, our leader, and also thank him for all the good work he is doing. You see, it's a special occasion because it is once in every 33 years you will see a coincidence of Christian fasting and Muslim fasting at the same time. So this year is a special way, and what it teaches us is that religious and ethnic issues should not divide us, that we need to be more united as a country to be able to develop our country. So the president has shown good partnership between himself and governors, and we are here also to reciprocate that gesture. We are working with him in good faith to the glory of God, so Nigeria can be better. To go meeting, we came to breakfast. It's a religious affair. Just this period of fasting, we need to seek the face of God, to develop our country, to forgive our people, and then forgive our sins, and then grant us prosperity for the development of our country. Thank you.
Since coming to office on May 29, 2023, this very important day in this world. We are asked by the chief imam of the State House